Technically, you can't fully remove a password from your Mac, but I'll show you the next best thing. Go to System Settings, Users and Groups, and then for the automatic login option, choose the account you want to automatically log in. You'll have to type your password here a few times, but after this, your Mac will automatically log in after every restart without having to type in your password. Another occasion where your Mac will ask for a password can be after a screensaver or when your screen goes to sleep. To turn that off, go to the lock screen options and look for this setting here. Mine is forced to immediately asking the password because my iPhone mirroring app is set to automatically authenticate. So I'll just hop in there, disable the automatic authentication for iPhone mirroring, go back, and now I can set my Mac to never require a password after a screensaver or after my display goes to sleep. Obviously, this could give other people access to your passwords, credit cards, and other sensitive information, so just be aware of that. You'll get a prompt asking if you want to keep your existing passwords saved or remove them from your Mac. This doesn't technically turn off your password, and you'll still need it for system-level tasks like installing apps and changing certain settings. But if you don't want to type it every time you get on your Mac, this will get you pretty close to that. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and take a look at my Mac playlist for more guides like this.